welcome back to Red Ted Art. Now, a week ago we had a 3-marker colouring challenge, and between us we had 4 different unicorns that we coloured in. You voted which one I should turn into a squishy, and you voted for Pipsqueaks. Now, if you want to see the other 3 designs, do look in the iCards and down below, and you can see how we coloured them all in. Now, this was actually a little bit hard to put into a squishy. It's got so many little extra bits, and I don't think I filled it enough, but watch until the end of the video and then you can see how well it squishes. But in the meantime, come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So this is the unicorn that my daughter coloured in and that won the 3-marker challenge discussed earlier. Remember, you can get a copy of this down below, plain obviously, for yourself to colour in, and you can make your own unicorn squishy. First thing we need to do is cut them both out. So I'm just going to do that and speed the video up. Okay, we have our 2 halves. Let's make sure they fit. Phew, they do. Of course they should. And now we start taking one side and covering it in tape. Decide where you're going to stuff it from. I think I might stuff it from here, so I'll keep this bit open. So I'm going to just put the tape across the whole lot. If it overlaps, that's fine. We're going to use it in a minute to stick it to the other side. So just take pieces of tape. I've got a plastic surface underneath, so I'll be able to get it off that in a minute. So line it up and then start folding in. Now you might have to take the scissors and snip the tape a little bit so that it fits around the curve. So for example here, a little snip and a fold. It's a little bit fiddly because there's so many shapes to this one. I'm going to cut along here, which also means you're going to probably create some air pockets later for when you've got it stuffed. So you'll probably have to add some extra little layers of tape. But let's just get the rough shape covered in tape and then worry about the holes, so to speak, later. And some little holes is fine because that's what helps with the rising of the squishy, doesn't it? Here we go, first bit's done. Quite tricky when you have different shapes. Right, next bit. Now this time I'm going to go just to the edge, not all the way, because like I said, I want to stuff it from this side. So this I'm going to leave open. Okay, time to fill it. Now, if you see my previous videos, you see that I use this stuffing. It's from an old pillow. So here's my pillow. You can use plastic bags or cotton wool or tissue paper. I think plastic bags work quite well, but I do think this recycled pillow is great because it's free. So if you've got an old pillow at home that your parents no longer need, obviously ask for permission. That makes great stuffing. So let's get a bit more. Ah, look, I've got some gaps here. Can you see? It's peeping out. That's okay. I'll use that in a minute. I'll tape it down. enough. Looks good. Oh, little hole here. See, it's harder when you've got these shapes. You do have to add tape afterwards. But like I say, it's not a problem. You just fix it. Here we go. Let's have a look. Let's see how it works. How well. Let's move this all across. Let's see. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh, look at that. It's great, isn't it? Compared to my other squishies, what do I think? Well, I think the emoji squishies were much better. I think the rounded shape works really well. But this one was fun to do. Maybe I should put a bit more stuffing in. Anyway, that's your unicorn squishy. I think it needs more stuffing in the front actually. I might open it up later and have another go. But in the meantime, I think it's pretty cute. My daughter loves it. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget that we've got some emoji squishies and some great Snickers and Twix squishies. The Twix one is particularly good. And yes, like, comment, subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.